Hello guys, today I'm going to show us how to set up a verification server, or should I just say Discord verification using DinoBot. So let's dive into the tutorial. Yeah, as you can see, this is a newly created Discord server and it really has nothing in it. But if you stick to me throughout my videos, we are surely going to create all this together. We are going to create the channels, the categories, a lot of useful bots, and how to set up roles, and everything will look professionally. In fact, how to add emojis, I'm going to show us how. So just hang out with me and you're definitely gonna see value in my videos. So please guys, before I start, kindly help me subscribe and like this video so that more of my useful videos will be able to pass across a lot of people out there. So yeah, moving straight now. The first thing you have to do before you can even go to the DinoBot is that you really have to set up the channels that people will be able to do the verification in. So first of all, now you guys will be able to see how to create categories and channel. Now let's to create category. All you have to do is click on this arrow here, and then you 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 can just see create category in here. Click on it. Now we need a channel that we will be able to do the verification and the likes. But first of all, we need the category. Now what is a category? Category um is a drop down that that carries the channels. A drop down that what contains the channels. So now let's just name it something. We can just name it um, welcome. So you can name it anything you want to create category. So here now, as you can see, this is welcome. So you click on this plus icon to create channels. So our channel name is, we can just name it verify here so that people will be able to know that okay, this is where they'll be able to verify and things like that. So create channel. Now we have successfully create our verify channel. So as you can see now, once I'm done with everything, you'll be able to see the everything here. So now after we've created the channel, the thing that you're gonna have to do is the roles. Now to create a roles, you have to go to the server settings here. Then you go ahead to click on the roles. Now you can just click on this, create roles. Now we need a role that once people are verified, we give them the verified roles. Now click on this. Okay, yeah, we've clicked on the plus icon. Now we have to name the roles, which is what? Verified. So after doing that, we can now give it a color. So the popular color given to this kind of role is green color. So to save changes. Yes, now we have successfully what? We have successfully created the verified rows. You can leave this permission for now. Now click on escape. Now what we are gonna have to do now is set up the rows for each category. Now once, let me just give us a tips. Once you join the server, you have been automatically given the at everyone rows. This is what I'm talking about here now. As you can see, when we go to the row section, you see okay, I think it's not okay. Yeah, you will see the at everyone. It says it applies to all servers members. So now But then you don't want at everyone to be able to see the general channel or the general chat here. We can create as much as possible under this text channel and blah blah blah. So in the next video, I'm going to be doing a detailed explanation on what we can put on our text channel and other category that we can add to our servers. So that's why you need to subscribe and like this video, because guys, this is going to be the best. Now, continuing our tutorial. Now, let me just do a quick setup. Now, we want people to be able to view the text channel and voice channel only when verified. How can we do that? You have to what? Right click. Yes, after right click, you have to click on the edit category. Now we've clicked on the edit category, you have to give it the permission. Now you click on the advanced permission. As you can see, at everyone, you have to off the view channels. As you can see, it says allows members to view this channel by default. It says disabling this for at everyone will make the text channel private. So we want it to be private for at everyone now. Save changes. Now you have to give it the role verified. So you can easily type it here if you can't find it. Verified. Yes. Now, we want only the verified members to be able to view the channels. You can give it some other functions here also. Maybe, oh, and you want them to create invites, send messages, you know, and the like. So, save changes. So, you click on escape. Now, let's move ahead to our voice channel. So, edit categories. Now you go to the permission also, then you click on that, then you give it the verify role also. Then once it is verified, you click on this. So people be able to view the channel only if they are verified. Yes, we forgot to save changes. So please guys, don't forget to save changes. Now, but we want everyone to be able to what? To view here. Because without them click on here, how can they verify? So let's leave this one like that. But then even though you are verified, we want you to also see it. So go to the edit category, permission. All you have to do is you have to put in the verified, then mark it this, and we are good to go. So guys, if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So now we have set up the configuration and everything that needs to be done on the server. Now let's move ahead to the website, which is dino.gg. Dino. Or if you can't find the website, you can just search it here. It is available on Google. So the name of our server is what? Test server. So now the first thing you have to do is what? You have to add it to the server here. Then, but before you can add it to server, make sure you are given the administration rules, the administrator rules. That's if you are not the owner of the server. So you have to select the server. Now the name of the server is test server. Okay. Think yes, test server. Yeah. Yes. Then you have to continue. As you can see, it's given the administrator rules and everything here because you already alright, I'm already the owner of this. So authorize it. So yeah, there are a couple of a couple of capture here that we have to do the boot. So let me just pause this. Yeah, so we have done the capture. So now we can see that it's listed among servers in here. So the so where is it now? So you just have to look for the server among. I have a lot of servers here that I manage. So that's why it's bringing a lot of servers here. So I'm looking for a test server. So guys, after I've been authorized, you are gonna have to go to this manage servers. You can see here. So you have to choose the server that you want to really, manage. That's why we're looking for the test server in here. So just let's look for it in here now. Okay, let me. Okay, guys, this is the test server here. So this is the test server. So you just have to click on this. Yeah, click on this. So wait for it. Now, once because this is the first time we're setting up this server, we have to select the prefix and select the time zone. So we can leave this prefix like this. So right now I'm in Africa Lagos. So let's choose that. Okay, gotcha. Now we click on the next. Now you have to choose the channel that you want the updates to be on. The first section of this video, I created the verify here channel. As you can see, this is the usefulness. This is where we need it. So verify here. So click on the next. So click on done. This one's for the premium. If you have the money, do it. So done. So let's close this ads. Okay, I think we're good. Now, what the main heading of this video is of this tutorial is how to create. It's mainly on creating the the verification um, the verification system in your channel. You set it up. So here now, to create the verification system, you have to go under the reaction rules section in here. So you click on settings in here. So now the thing that you're gonna have to do is you give it a unique name. Doesn't really matter. So I can just put it. Yeah, you won't show anywhere. So you have to select the channel. So which is verified here. So you type the message that you want. It's either you have an existing message, then you just um paste the message ID. So I have a video coming up next that will show you how you can copy a video ID, and it's very easy to do. So I'll make it easy. Now, if you have a message to be embedded, you can just edit it, but I prefer the plain message. So you can just write, click on the reaction. If this one, then just put it, do the S. Click on the reactions to get verified. So you add the reaction here, and that is where the rows comes in. So once people are verified, it will give them the verified rows. So you can just choose any reaction you want, but the most popular one is maybe the check mark and stuff like that. So you just add it. You can add multiple reaction. So let me put the like. Yeah. So for purpose of this video, I'm just gonna shorten it to 3. So let me just put the let me put this. Yeah. and we're good to go. So let's save it. Yes, added reaction role test. Now let's go. Now let's go test this out. As you can see, it is here. So anybody that joins here and clicks on either three will be verified and be given the verified rows. So please, guys, if you know you gained value from this video, help me support this channel and subscribe, like, and share to other people. Thank you and have a blessed day.